Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Bronco door panel. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your Bronco's ignition is off and the window is completely down for safety. It's also a good idea to place a soft cloth on your door sill to protect against any accidental scratches during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free removal. Next, we'll tackle the fasteners. Begin by gently prying up the window switch panel using your trim removal tool. It should pop right out. Underneath, you'll find 2 screws that need to be removed. Also, check the armrest and door pull areas for any other visible screws. Some models might have 1 or 2 more hidden fasteners, so look carefully before proceeding. Now, it's time to detach the main panel. Starting from the bottom edge, use your trim removal tool to gently pry the panel away from the door. You'll hear the plastic clips releasing as you work your way around the perimeter. Once all clips are free, carefully lift the entire door panel upwards. This action helps clear it from the window channel and the door lock mechanism at the top. With the panel loose, the final step is to disconnect the internal components. You'll find several electrical connectors for the speakers and power window switches. Carefully unclip these. Also, detach the door handle cable and the door lock rod from their respective mechanisms. Once everything is disconnected, you can safely remove the door panel and place it aside in a clean, secure location, ready for your next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.